Growing your business isn't only about bringing in new clients. It's about keeping them coming back, building stronger relationships, and creating experiences that keep both your clients and team engaged. With Salonist, growth and retention work seamlessly together behind the scenes. From automated messages and personalized communication to loyalty rewards, referrals, staff commissions, lead management, client insights, and targeted campaigns. Everything is designed to help you create stronger connections while supporting business growth. Reward loyalty clients automatically. Keep your team motivated, turn new leads into bookings, and deliver the right message to the right clients at the right time. And the best part, everything stays connected inside one platform, while Salonist helps you manage engagement, retention, and growth more effortlessly. In this section, we'll explore how to automate communication, build loyalty programs, manage commissions, understand your clients better, and create personalized experiences that keep clients coming back. At the end of this section, you'll have everything you need to build stronger client relationships and create business designed to grow long-term. So let's get started.